Find the derivative of the following function. So we have f of x is equal to 5 times of secant x plus 4 cos of x. So if we have to figure out the derivative, we need to figure out the derivative of each of this expression. That would be 5 times of secant x plus derivative of 4 times of cos x. So in this case, I have the 5 that is a constant, I can take it out, and I have to just figure out the derivative of secant x, and here I have to figure out the derivative of 4 times of here derivative of cos x. So we know the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, while the derivative of secant x, if you are able to write it directly, you can do so, or if not, first expression derivative, we have to do it as a separate question. So what is the derivative of secant x? So here we have derivative of secant x will be equal to derivative of 1 by secant x is cos x. Now we have u as 1 and v as cos of x. Okay, we're going to take that. Then we have v prime and u prime that we need to use. Here our derivative of a constant is 0, and this would be minus sine of x. And then we have u by v prime, so that is u prime v minus v prime u divided by v square. So on substitution, we have d by dx secant x which is equal to 0 minus, so v prime is minus sin x, so this will be plus sine of x into 1 divided by v square, that is going to be cos square x. A bit of simplification and we are going to see the following. So we have this to be sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Again, depending on the marks, you need to write this. So this is tan of x into secant x. So this particular answer, you can take this as a 4-marker question or 3-marker question. You need to write this much. If not, you can directly use the formula that is listed. So secant x derivative secant x into tan x. If it's a MCQ question or 1-marker question, you can directly write the answer. If not, you need to show this calculation. Okay. And finally, we can then write the answer. F prime of x is equal to 5 times of tan x into secant x, and we have 4 times of derivative of cos x is sin x, so minus 4 sine of x. Again, this is for 3 or 4 marker answer. The same question without with say MCQ form or 1-marker question, you can directly jump from here till here. So you can skip this pretty much this kind of derivation.